Hi everyone, this is Alex. After 2 weeks of driving around US, I got lucky and come back home for a couple days, spend time with my family. And in today's video, I'm gonna share with you what type of trucking job you can choose and what is pluses and what minuses from those jobs. So until end of this video, I think you will learn and understand what exactly you want to do, what exactly is for you, what exactly is not. So let's begin. Right guys, before I start to explain everything, I would like to let you know, so I respect every single truck driver because it's such a hard job, and I respect guys, all of you, because some of you choose like different stuff, what you want to do, and I'm just telling you my opinion, what I like, what I don't, what is for me, what is not. So it's only my opinion, and I respect all of you guys. You are the best, you're doing a great job. Before I start to explain what kind of job you can get, so I would like to tell you this one is called bobtail. So like you see, it's without trailer behind, and basically from the back of the car you can hook any trailer what you like to drive and drive the trailer. Right, the first type what I'm gonna start is the reefer. It's right there. So the reefer, different between reefer and normal drive van is just one thing, it's the AC in the front of the trailer. So I would like to start with the pluses. So pluses is you get a little bit more money than from drive van, but there is a reason why, because basically you're not gonna drive that long distance. It's more short a little bit, not that much, but more shorter, and deliveries at night. So many deliveries at night, so you have to be ready for that, because you know I hate drive at nights. I do drive at nights, but I hate drive at nights. And sometimes when you deliver at night and you have to wait when your load supposed to be unloaded, and then you have to be loaded, it's such a hard thing to do because you want to sleep, because it's dark outside and it's difficult. Another minus is that AC what is in the front of the trailer, it's supposed to work always, so it's so loud thing, and when you decided, let's say, stop and sleep, you have to work there, and it's so annoying, it's so noisy, and not many people like that. I prefer when I stop in a truck stop or in rest areas, I prefer stop not close to the reefer, because it's always working. It's such a hard thing to sleep, like to do when you want to sleep. So, but many people like it and many people work with that, and it's fine. So I'm just telling my opinion, what is the pluses, what is the minus. So little bit get paid more than from driving, and minus is night deliveries and that AC. Right, the second type is drive van. It's right here. The drive van is one of the common trailers what people driving, and I would like to say it's more than 50% in the whole US people drive van. And it's a simple one, because basically when you load it, you close the door, you go. That's it. You don't have to worry about what is the temperature inside and fix it inside. No, because you fix it once, you don't have to open door one more time, and that's it. You just drive, and it's plus. For the minuses, I would like to say for driving you get payment a little bit less from the rest, a little bit less. But there's another thing, you basically drive more, so, and it's gonna be even. Your delivery is gonna be mostly like during the day, the morning. It's not gonna be during the night. Sometimes, but not often. So because when you like drive to one company to another one, they have like fixed hours, let's say from 8 to 6. So mostly at nights you're not gonna drive like most of your time, like for the Reefer. And the minus only is a little bit less amount of payment, but you're gonna drive that miles. So I prefer dry van, but many people prefer something different. So let's go to part number 3. Alright, and part number 3 is the flatbed. It's right here. Flatbed for me is one of the hardest things to drive. I mean, not how it's driving basically, and what you have to do with it. So first of all, your pickup location is gonna be everywhere. So, and this is flatbed using for the lot where this cannot fit to the dry van, or it's such a hard to put them inside. Maybe the same size, but it's such a hard thing to put it. So it's a load when you're loading from the side. And one of this hard thing is because you have to every single 2 hours stop and see how is the ropes doing there, because you're responsible for that, how you fix it, how is it tight, because every single time it's not tight enough, you have to tighten. It's such a dangerous thing, because if it's go out from your trailer, you can kill someone. And for me it's one of the hardest thing to do, because first you have to work on a load when it's loaded and tight that anytime. So it could be like 40 degrees of Celsius, like super hot, and you still have to do it for a couple hours, or it's rain, or it's super cold, and you still have to do that. You go and doing that. So you like after like 2 hours of doing that, you like super dirty, like, or you like super sweat, or you super freeze. So it's so hard for me. I respect all those drivers who are doing that. It's such a hard job to do. Really, I cannot believe I can imagine I can do that, because I'm not that guy. But many people like that, and that trailer, what is going to be behind you, like flatbed, you have to have so much equipment there. So I'm telling you only minuses, but what's the plus? The benefits from that, they pay you more for the miles, and they pay you also for extra money. How you tight that, you put a tartar, it's called starter there. So you would say it's like big tartar, you have to put it. I think companies pay up to like $150 for put a tartar there. So you drive a little bit less amount of miles, but you spend time to fix your load, and they pay for that. It's up to you. If you like it, you can do it, but totally not for me. So for me, it's driving, but I'm driving completely different, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing exactly. This is exactly basic routine what I'm talking about. You see, guy stop every single 2 hours, and he is basically checking everything, how it's fixed, how it's tightened up. And this is what I'm talking about. You have to do it all the time, but you get paid more for that. So if you like it, and you're the guy who is like to do some stuff like he's doing, so you can start work with him. During recording video, my friend came to me. Ellie, are you a truck driver? No, come on, she's not a truck driver. Alright, what I'm driving? I'm working for the company that gives me opportunity to drive all of them. And I would like to say, so 90% of my loads I drive in a dry van, and another like 10 it's a Reefer or flatbed, but mostly it's dry van. And the super useful thing is, I'm come to the company, they already have a loaded trailer. I just hook a trailer, go out. When I deliver, I just go drop a trailer and go out. So basically, for pick up or delivery, it took me like more than 15 maybe 20 minutes. It's super easy things to do, and also when you deliver it and you have to rest. With this car, what is behind me, is super easy to park. You can park almost everywhere, because when you have trailer behind you, sometimes when it's at night, you cannot park like on the truck stop because it's fully booked or a stereo is fully booked. But with this bobtail, it's super easy. And if you guys can choose, I prefer to tell you guys, choose to drive like me, because it's much easier. I also was a driver who drive for the miles, and I was driving dry van, and yeah, it was hard things, but now it's way easier. So like yesterday I delivered a load, and the truck stop was busy. I parked next to truck stop, easy one, and nobody borrowed me. I sleep, and that's it, I go. Alright, in the next video I'm gonna give you some another tips, and I hope this video help you to choose what you wanna drive. Or you wanna drive reefer, dry van, flatbed, all together like me. There is another things like you can hazmat or like cars, but let's start from these guys, and I hope it's really help you. Right, in the next video I'm gonna give you more other tips what to do. Right now I'm with my family going to pick up load from Amazon, and we're going to Dallas. Let's go!